Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast that explores the wonders of the universe and brings you the latest news from the world of astronomy. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this journey through the cosmos. Today, we're going to dive into some fascinating stories that will take us from the depths of our own solar system to the far reaches of the galaxy. First up, let's talk about a recent discovery that's got astronomers buzzing with excitement. Scientists using the James Webb Space Telescope have made a groundbreaking observation of a star that has swallowed one of its planets. Yes, you heard that right. A star has essentially eaten one of its own planets. This phenomenon is known as planetary engulfment, and it's a process that was previously thought to be purely theoretical. The team of researchers used the Webb telescope to study the aftermath of this event, which occurred in a star system about 1,000 light-years from Earth. What they found was a hot circumstellar disk of molecular gas surrounding the star, along with a cloud of cold dust that's still expanding from the explosion. But here's the really cool part. The scientists were able to detect certain molecules in this accretion disk, including carbon monoxide, which is a key ingredient for planet formation. Now, you might be wondering what this means for our understanding of planetary systems and the formation of planets. Well, it turns out that this discovery could have significant implications for the study of exoplanets and the search for life beyond Earth. By studying the remnants of this engulfed planet, scientists can gain insights into the conditions that lead to planetary formation and the potential for life to arise on other worlds. The James Webb Space Telescope is truly a game-changer for astronomy, and discoveries like this one are just the beginning. With its unprecedented resolution and sensitivity, the Webb telescope is allowing us to study the universe in ways we never thought possible. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, folks. I hope you're all having a stellar day so far. We've got an incredible story to share with you now, one that takes us on a journey through space and time to witness a cosmic dance between two white dwarf stars. Imagine being in the presence of a celestial waltz, where two massive balls of hot, dense gas are swirling around each other in a gravitational embrace. This is exactly what's happening about 49 parsecs away from us, or roughly 160 light-years, in a region of our galaxy that's relatively close to home. A team of astronomers at the University of Warwick has made a groundbreaking discovery, identifying two white dwarf stars that are locked in a death spiral, destined to collide and create a supernova explosion in about 23 billion years. Yes, you heard that right. 23 billion years. That's even longer than the current age of the universe. Now, let's put this into perspective. These two white dwarfs have a combined mass of about 1.56 times that of our Sun, making them one of the most massive pairs of their kind ever discovered. As they orbit each other, they're slowly accelerating their dance, with their orbital period decreasing from 14 hours to just 30-40 seconds over billions of years. But here's the fascinating part. When these stars finally merge, they'll create a quadruple detonation, a series of explosions that will ignite in a specific sequence. The first star will detonate at its core, followed by a secondary explosion as the accumulated material ignites. Then, the second star will undergo two similar explosions, creating an extraordinary display of cosmic fireworks. Lead author James Monday and his team have made it clear that this discovery is significant, not just because of its proximity to us, but also because it sheds light on the mystery of Type 1a supernovae. These events are crucial for understanding the expansion history of the universe, and finding a system like this one can help astronomers refine their models and predictions. As we gaze out into the vast expanse of space, we're reminded that there's still so much to learn about the workings of our cosmos. This discovery is a testament to human curiosity and the power of scientific inquiry. Who knows what other secrets await us in the depths of space? Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. We've had an amazing conversation so far, exploring the wonders of the universe and all its secrets. As we wrap up today's show, I want to share with you some exciting updates from NASA that are sure to leave you starstruck. First off, let's talk about Uranus. Yes, you heard that right. Uranus. Our favorite ice giant has been in the news lately, thanks to some groundbreaking research by an international team of astronomers using the Hubble Space Telescope. They've made some incredible measurements that have allowed us to determine Uranus's rotation rate with unprecedented precision. Mind-blowing, right? But that's not all. We also have some amazing stories from the people behind the scenes at NASA. Take Mike, for example, who's been working on the Roman Space Telescope project, with over 40 years of experience under his belt. Mike is a true veteran of the space industry, and his passion for discovery and spaceflight is infectious. He's worked on some of the most iconic projects in NASA's history, from Hubble to Webb, and now he's part of the team that's going to change our understanding of the universe once again. And if you're interested in planetary defense, you won't want to miss NASA's new documentary, Planetary Defenders, which premieres on April 16th. This film takes you inside the real-life efforts of scientists and engineers working to detect, track, and mitigate potential asteroid threats. It's a fascinating look at the science, technology, and personal dedication behind planetary defense, and it's a must-watch for anyone who's curious about the universe and our place in it. So there you have it. Just a few of the amazing stories that are coming out of NASA right now. From Uranus to Roman, and from planetary defense to the people who make it all happen, there's never been a more exciting time to be interested in space. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.